Here we go, once again. Alright, come on!
Pick up a... Hey, well, don't tell me yet when I...
I'm not filming it.
Okay. Let's go. This is hard. I'm the sheriff.